Stop right there and do not complete your hosting or checkout just yet. If you have been watching older tutorials telling you to uncheck a bunch of hidden fees on this page, you are looking at outdated information. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how Hostinger's new pricing structure works, and how to force your total bill down to the absolute lowest level possible. Let us jump right into your cart. In the past, the platform used to add several extra paid features that beginners didn't need, but look closely at the checkout page now. Features like daily backups and domain privacy protection, which are absolute lifesavers for any website, are now included for exactly $0. Do not uncheck these boxes. You are now getting premium security and peace of mind without paying a monthly fee. Your cart is already packing massive value, but we are about to make it significantly cheaper. Before we apply a massive discount code, you need to make sure you have chosen the right hosting plan. Let us skip the technical server jargon and keep it incredibly simple. You will likely be choosing between the premium plan and the business plan. The premium plan gives you enough storage and speed to handle plenty of daily visitors smoothly. It is the absolute perfect starting point for a personal blog, a freelance portfolio, or a small business website. You only need to consider the business plan if you are running an active online store with hundreds of products and simultaneous transactions. For the vast majority of you watching, the premium plan provides everything you need without overspending on server resources you will never use. Now, let us get to the most important part to secure your maximum discount. Hostinger currently offers up to 80% off web hosting, plus 3 months entirely free. You absolutely must click the official link in the description below this video to activate this specific promo page. This also protects you from fake third-party websites. But we are not stopping there. To drop the price even further, type in the coupon code EKLIST at checkout. Applying the code EKLIST will instantly slice an extra 10% off your entire order. Look at that massive drop in the total cost. You are securing a top-rated hosting service for multiple years for the cost of just a few cups of coffee. Your investment is also fully protected by their strict 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can build your site with complete peace of mind. Now that you have secured the absolute cheapest hosting possible, your very next step is crucial. You need to install WordPress correctly so your new website is completely secure and optimized for speed from day one. Click the video currently playing on your screen right now, and I will guide you through the perfect WordPress installation process step by step.